Hi, today we are going to look at how you can do complete square in a different method. Okay, so what most people will do, they will look at 2x squared, 12x plus 13. They will take 2 or factorize 2 out from all 3 terms. Okay, so let's see how we do this one. You'll see that this is pretty ugly, but still okay. So let's go to the next step. Okay, so what you need to remember here is that this 2 is out of the 3 terms. So you need to have a big bracket here. Okay, and next step, you can either distribute 2 in expansion for 3 terms, or you can combine these 2 using calculator first because they are fractions, right? So let's just do the combination or addition of this first. Okay, so look like this. And the last step is to distribute the 2 in. And you reach your final last answer, which is quite nice. Okay, so how about looking at the different way of doing this? Right, I know this is ugly because you can't divide nicely by 2. You will get either a fraction or decimal. So you can factorize 2 only from the term that consists of x. Okay, I see it as a virus x. Okay, so it looks like this way. Okay, I don't touch 13. So just imagine this is the one that I'm going to do complete square. Yeah, virus square. So I'm going to quarantine the one that I clean to and 13 over here. Okay, so I'm going to draw a very standard bracket for complete square. Okay, there's 2 tasks to do here. 6 divided by 2, and you square the 3 over here. Okay, and the next step, I'm going to expand 2 inside here. Nice. Because we don't have fraction, I don't even have to use calculator at all, and we'll reach the last answer here nicely. Okay? It's not wrong to do both, but just how you do it differently. It'll be quite interesting to learn a new method, but you don't have to involve fraction. Okay? And I'm going to explain why is complete square complete square. So let's take a look at how we can do it in the picture manner. So I'm going to just take purely x squared plus 6x. Okay? Why I'm only looking at these 2 terms? Now I'm going to draw a picture. X squared is a square, right, of side of x by x. Okay? So 6x, I'm going to just draw a rectangle with the side of 6 and x, which will give you 6x, the area. Okay? Now, we're going to transform the picture so we can form a square. That's why the name is called complete a square. So let's take this picture. Okay, I'm going to take this rectangle, cut into half, so I can fix it both sides here. Okay, so we know this is still x, this is still x. Okay, so now I cut this 6 into half. I'll have 3 and 3. This side I'll still have x and x. Okay, so oh look, it's almost a square, right? So we are missing this red part here, where we have 3 and also 3 here, which gives you an area of 9. Okay, so now look, this x squared plus 6x is the black color part, right? This 3 parts. Okay, so let's look at what is this whole picture here. It's a square, right? So you have this side will give you x plus 3, the side. And this side will give you x plus 3. Okay? So if you are going to take a look at the entire picture here, is a big square, which you will have the big square which is x plus 3 squared. But what we need is only the black one, not the red one. Okay, we are missing the red one. So you have a minus 9. Minus because we don't have this, right? So we're going to take the full big square minus a small square. We'll get this. Okay, so that gives you an idea why when you're doing complete square, you are dividing 6. Okay, divide by 2 because I'm having this rectangle to fix over here. Okay, and why you need to minus the square of the 3. Okay, so that's because this red is missing. So this minus always stay as minus. So if you see me writing just now that bracket, I always write the bracket, the square, and the minus here before I fill out these two numbers. Okay, this plus 3 comes from the plus 6. So you always follow the sign for here, but this sign is always a minus based on what we just present over here. Okay, thank you.